Let's take a look at my PC build. I've actually had this PC for exactly a year now, and it's the Player 2 build from Nzxt. We're rocking an Nvidia GeForce RTX 4070 Ti graphics card. We currently have 48 gigs of RAM, but I have enough to go to 64. I just haven't got round to it yet. And for the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 5700X with the Nzxt cooler, which is my favourite part with the built-in screen. And we have 5TB SSD space because games are big. This system is pretty beastie, and it needs to be to work with my 49-inch Samsung Odyssey monitor. But with this spec, it allows me to pretty much play all games on max settings and have great FPS. Let me know your build down below, and happy gaming, guys.